Deep in the Emirates desert, a groundbreaking aviation facility is rising, a project of unprecedented scale. Designed to welcome 250 million travelers annually, this gateway dwarfs anything the world has ever seen. Dubai's established airport has reached its absolute limit, handling 95 million visitors a year. The solution? Transform this harsh, unforgiving terrain into the world's most advanced air travel infrastructure. This is a $35 billion commitment to the future of global connectivity. The undertaking begins across 70 kilometers of extreme environment, where temperatures reach 48 degrees Celsius. Moving millions of cubic meters of shifting sand requires constant, relentless dust management. Compaction specifications reach a staggering 98%. This absolute density ensures that 600-ton aircraft will not damage the surface. Advanced geogrid technology is deployed to stabilize the shifting desert foundation. Every single section is tested individually. At this scale, there are no compromises on quality. Laser-precise surveying maps out 5 parallel runways, capable of handling the planet's largest aircraft. With daylight hours too precious and hot, round-the-clock operations become absolutely necessary. Concrete plants built directly on-site produce a staggering 1.2 million cubic meters. Every single reinforcement bar is perfectly positioned to withstand tremendous stress. Millimeter-level precision across 4.5 kilometers of runway leaves zero room for error. A single microscopic flaw could compromise the entire integral runway system. Beneath the surface, massive underground systems operate invisibly. These tunnels are designed to house automated systems capable of processing 30,000 items every hour. Above ground, colossal supporting structures reach 120 meters high. These pillars anchor the immense facility against Dubai's extreme climate challenges. Advanced drainage infrastructure is engineered to protect against rare but severe flash floods. Special thermal-resistant concrete formulations are utilized to cure effectively in extreme desert heat. Massive expansion joints are installed to accommodate temperature swings exceeding 50 degrees.
The terminal building features column-free halls spanning an incredible 1.7 kilometers.
Every structural connection undergoes strict torque verification. Failure isn't an option. The sprawling, wave-patterned roofing echoes the natural curves of the original desert landscape. High-performance glass facades are installed to deflect 70% of the harsh solar radiation. The first concourse alone exceeds 3 times the length of competing global facilities. A sprawling central piazza acts as the master hub, branching out into a dynamic aviation city. Each of the 4 planned concourses stretches an impressive 2.7 kilometers in length. A dedicated, state-of-the-art power generation facility ensures flawless, round-the-clock operations. Colossal climate control systems will condition 2.3 million square meters of space. Automated baggage handling targets zero-loss performance with absolutely zero manual intervention. Advanced biometric security screening integrates seamlessly into the architecture. Autonomous self-service bag drops are scaled to accommodate 150 million passengers in Phase 1. Premium lounges are designed with private garden spaces and expansive natural illumination. Smart LED systems actively adapt to the environment, reducing energy consumption by 40%. Specialty retail and dining venues are integrated to reflect strict 5-star standards. Expansive living walls and vegetation create refreshing oases within the immense terminal. Autonomous shuttles and high-speed rail ensure flawless navigation for hundreds of millions annually.
Advanced jet fuel delivery reaches every single aircraft gate, minimizing turnaround duration. Airfield lighting systems are engineered to operate at the absolute highest safety classification. Rigorous ground operations testing demonstrates full system readiness across all surfaces. The ultimate vision features 4 interconnected megastructures, laid out in a sprawling linear configuration. Instead of a single conventional building, it is a dynamic, futuristic aviation city. The completed layout boasts 407 contact aircraft gates, with 0 tarmac bus transfers. 5 massive parallel runways provide unmatched capacity and operational flexibility. Renewable energy infrastructure powers the entire complex, ensuring century-long sustainability. A closed-loop system ensures 0 wastewater discharge, honoring the precious desert resources. Ground transportation seamlessly integrates the facility with regional metro and highway systems. Dedicated cargo operations are scaled to support an unprecedented 12 million tons yearly. From shifting sand dunes to a fully operational aviation metropolis, this is an engineering milestone. Phase 1 operations are accelerating, targeting a monumental transition by the year 2032.
Once complete, Al Maktoum International will be 5 times larger than Dubai International Airport.
It will serve as the exclusive home and primary global hub for Emirates and Fly Dubai.
This facility symbolizes human ambition, overcoming extreme environmental obstacles.
More than just infrastructure, it represents triumph through determination, vision, and pride. Dubai has redefined what is possible, forever changing how the world connects.
To understand this achievement, we must look at the brutal scale of the enabling works.
Contracts exceeding 13 billion dirhams are actively executed to prepare this ground.
Billions more in strategic infrastructure roll out, securing the lifelines of the mega hub.
The foundation phase is a masterclass in extreme environmental engineering. Every inch of this 70-kilometer perimeter is designed to withstand the test of time.
Deep foundations are driven into the bedrock to support the massive structural loads.
Excavations for the high-speed rail systems plunge deep beneath the terminal floors.
A forest of concrete and steel rises in perfect, mathematical symmetry. The shifting desert substrate is effectively locked in place, neutralizing the terrain.
Runway construction utilizes specialized asphalt blends to resist extreme thermal expansion. Every painted line, every sensor, every light is calibrated with absolute precision. Taxiways are over-engineered to eliminate any possibility of surface degradation. Vertical construction defies the desert gravity, utilizing specialized, high-strength concrete. The roof framework spans massive distances without a single supporting column to interrupt the flow.
Advanced engineering ensures these structures can flex and breathe with the temperature shifts.
The central piazza serves as the architectural heart, a vast canyon of light and space. Every sightline is carefully calculated to provide passengers with unbroken views of the aviation city. Specialized glass installation teams utilize automated systems to enclose the massive structure. The facade acts as an intelligent shield, protecting the interior while harvesting natural light.
Inside, the sheer scale of the 1.7-kilometer halls challenges human perception.
Concealed environmental systems pump millions of cubic feet of conditioned air silently. Next-generation biometric scanners form an invisible, frictionless security perimeter. The AI-driven baggage system is a mechanical labyrinth of unparalleled efficiency. Every item is tracked, scanned, and routed with zero margin for error. Internal transit relies entirely on autonomous, high-frequency shuttle networks. Gate areas are designed not as waiting rooms, but as expansive luxury lounges. Elements of nature are masterfully engineered into the very fabric of the terminal. Every surface, every material is chosen for durability and absolute premium aesthetics. The first phases of the megastructure begin to power on, a beacon in the dark. Strategic fuel reserves are buried deep underground, feeding a massive arterial network. Strategic fuel reserves are buried deep underground, feeding a massive arterial network. Turnaround times are slashed by fully automated ground service infrastructure. The aprons are engineered to handle continuous heavy load operations without degradation. Safety systems are integrated at a scale previously thought impossible. Advanced radar and AI traffic management systems oversee the vast airspace. From this nerve center, every movement across the 5 runways is orchestrated. The master plan's genius lies in its modular, highly efficient, linear layout. By eliminating tarmac bus transfers, the passenger experience is fundamentally elevated. Even as Phase 1 nears completion, the groundwork for future expansion is already laid. The countdown to the 2032 transition is driving relentless progress. 128 billion dirhams. A massive financial and visionary commitment. Sustainability is not an afterthought. It is the core engine of the aviation city. Dynamic architectural elements react to the sun, managing the desert heat autonomously. The entire immigration process is rendered invisible through advanced spatial biometrics. Even the baggage retrieval zones are designed as sweeping architectural statements. Integration with high-speed rail connects the airport directly to the heart of the Emirates. Ground access is engineered to handle millions of vehicles with zero congestion. The departure experience is designed for instant, frictionless entry into the terminal. Final safety testing pushes every piece of infrastructure to its absolute limit. This massive hub is built specifically to serve as the ultimate home for Emirates. It will consolidate operations, uniting the region's massive aviation fleets.
The contrast between the ancient desert and this futuristic megastructure is absolute.
250 million passengers, 5 massive runways, 4 colossal concourses. This
is the dawn of a completely new era in global aviation. A foundation built not just of concrete and steel, but of limitless ambition.
A foundation built not just of concrete and steel, but of limitless ambition. It is an engineering marvel that has conquered one of the harshest environments on Earth.
A fully autonomous, intelligent aviation city, ready to awaken.
A foundation built not just of concrete and steel, but of limitless ambition. Every detail, every system, every kilometer is prepared for the future of flight.
A foundation built not just of concrete and steel, but of limitless ambition.
A foundation built not just of concrete and steel, but of limitless ambition. Al Maktoum International Airport, the new center of the world.
A foundation built not just of concrete and steel, but of limitless ambition.